Today we have a Phalanx 180 watt and 139 pieces rotary toolkit with a special feature of 6 speed adjustments ranging from 8000 to 32,000 RPM. You can vary speed as you desire. It includes a flexible shaft, sanding drum, abrasive stones, drills, diamond cutting, wire brush, polishing wheels, collets, alpine, and many accessories that you desire. And a very nice quality Phalanx bag. 139 pieces accessories support engraving, polishing, carving, cutting, drilling, grinding and sliding, and a very nice ventilation design. So hello everyone, welcome to ARS Online Shop. So are you looking for the perfect rotary toolkit for your projects? Today we are diving into the top 2 contenders that promise to elevate your project. First of all, we have a Phalanx 180 watt rotary toolkit with 4.4 star ratings and Goxawee rotary toolkit with 4.4 stars rating too. So before further proceeding, we expect you to kindly like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon in order to get notifications in nearby future. As can be seen, 70% of the rated individuals have rated this product 5 stars out of 5 stars. And this product only costs $39 and is 20% off at the moment with 4.4 stars rating and 1000 plus bought in the past month. So do buy this product by clicking the link in the description if you find it valuable for your purchase. And now we have a Goxawee 130 watt rotary toolkit with 140 pieces of accessories in it. It has quick change drill chuck, variable speed, and it is compact. It has high performance craft tools. It has a marvelous sustainability feature of carbon emissions from the life cycle of this product were measured, reduced and offset as certified by Climate Neutral by Climate Partner. And 140 pieces accessories include a flexible shaft, drill bits, alpine, polishing wheels, and almost everything you require in your projects. It can be used for various purposes like cutting, drilling, engraving, polishing, etc. as required. You can buy Goxawee rotary toolkit in only $38. It is bought by 1000 plus individuals in the past month. It also has a sustainability feature. If you find it valuable for your purchase, do buy this by clicking the link in the description. And now we have a comparison of both rotary toolkit in this video. First we have a Phalanx toolkit. Its price is only $39 with 4.4 star ratings, while the Goxawee rotary toolkit has a price of $38 with a 4.4 star ratings. It doesn't matter a lot. The Phalanx rotary toolkit, 1000 plus individuals rated this product and 22,000 plus individuals rated the Goxawee rotary toolkit. It means that most of the viewers have rated the Goxawee rotary toolkit. The Phalanx toolkit has a discount of 20% off at the moment, while Goxawee rotary toolkit doesn't have any discount at the moment. Phalanx rotary toolkit has the 180 watt powerful motor, while the Goxawee rotary toolkit has only 130 watt power motor. Variable speed adjustments. Phalanx toolkit has 6 speed adjustments ranging from 8000 to 32,000 RPM, while Goxawee has 5 speed adjustments with the RPM of 8000 to 30,000 RPM. Phalanx toolkit doesn't have any sustainability feature, while Goxawee toolkit does have one, which we already discussed in the video. The weight of the Phalanx rotary toolkit is 4.07 pounds, while Goxawee rotary toolkit is 3.31 pounds. Accessories are almost same. The ranking which matters the most is Phalanx rotary toolkit has ranked number 10 in power rotary tools, while Goxawee rotary toolkit has ranked number 8 in power rotary tools by Amazon. If you found any of the above valuable for your projects, then you can buy this by clicking the links in the description and you can directly go to the page of these products. So if you find our video valuable, then kindly subscribe our channel, like the video and share the video, and don't forget to promote our videos. Thank you so much.